thanks to all to be so numerous this morning to attend the preview of Silvio Pearlstein collection. So you are mostly welcome. Mira, about the title, it's a challenge. I'm not sure we can explain it.
Sure.
Let's say that Silvio has eccentric taste regarding titles, and we have always made crazy titles when we organized exhibition of the collection, either in Paris for the very first time at La Maison Rouge. The title was Busy Going Crazy. So usually what we do, we pick up title from the works of the collection itself. And so we started with Busy Going Crazy. When we did an exhibition about photography, we used the title of Man Ray, Photography is Not Art, which is the title of a small pamphlet that the artist wrote in the 30s. And in New York and Hong Kong, we use another title called A Luta Continua, which is a big neon that Silvio owns, which is on the front of his house. So the fight goes on. And we thought it was a good statement to enlight this exhibition. And now it's true that we are happy to put right in the middle of a museum a big banner that says that art does not exist.
But is it derived from something?
Sorry?
Does it come from something, from text? Or?
Sure. The original artwork is from Ben, and Ben is a Fluxus artist, and Fluxus artists are spiritual sons and daughters from Dadaists, and they work around the idea that you have to, first you have to negate, you have to oppose yourself to a certain classical definition of art, to do something interesting and relevant for our time. And you will understand, when I hope when you will visit the exhibition, that the collection of Silvio is based on the spiritual legacy of Dada and Surrealism. So it's an exhibition that is about non-conventional form of art, and it's also an exhibition that shows the path of life of a man that was passionate and that has been friends with most of the artists, which is something important. I will have many things to say, but I don't want to take too much of your time now. I will be available. Silvio is here with us. It's a big privilege, and I'm so happy. But just to let you know that everything that you see in the exhibition is part of the daily life and the intimacy of the collector. So nothing is in storage. Everything is hanging in the house. This is living device, daily life source of inspiration and passion for Silvio. They are very dear to him. They fill his house like friends or like relatives. That's the first thing. The other thing that you have to know, most of the artists that are exhibited here, even some from the Dada period, he knew them, and for most of them he was friend with them and had party with them. So many souvenirs. It's not only a collection, it's the story of a life, it's also the story of an art world that has totally evolved and changed, which is not the same anymore. We live in a different era, but there was an era where the art world was very small, it was a warm, it was a self-sustaining and very friendly environment. When you meet somebody in Düsseldorf, gives you the address of someone in Milano, then you go from Milano to Tel Aviv, from Tel Aviv, and so on. And that's what it's all about. It's about friendship. It has never been about collecting or amassing wealth. Never. It was not. That was not the purpose. The purpose was to believe in the artists, to believe in what they were doing. Usually, much prior, the institution would even recognize the importance of the work. I mean, it's really something that we can develop and go on. Mira, you just tell me to stop whenever you like. Yeah? So, but yeah, it's let's celebrate something that it's all for Silvio, and it's called amazing collection, outstanding collection. There is no word enough, no superlative, but it's true that it's something very special. Let's say if you know art, I don't have to to explain how great it is if you know it, and if you don't know art, you are very lucky because you're going to discover art through the eyes of an incredible collector, an incredible amateur. He was really, he sees things that usually no one sees before. It's called like weak signals. He understands, he always is specialized in noticing things that are just above the radars of everyone. And he will identify whether he buy Robert Reimann before everyone, whether he buy Ben before everyone, or he goes in Israel to meet Marcel Yanko when the artist is an old man and is a bit on the side of the art world. All stories like that, endless stories like that. So you are mostly welcome. We'll be here to answer your questions, and I hope that also if you fancy Silvio.